Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see fractions exercise 3.3. Put a tick in the fractions that are in their simplest forms. Put a cross in those that are not. So we are going to put a tick in the fractions. Those fractions are not, and then in the simplest forms. So if it is in the simplest forms, we are going to put a tick. If it is not, we are going to put a cross. So listen children, 4 by 6. Whether shall we reduce this 4 by 6? So how will you reduce this into simplest form? So we are going to divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So if you can divide numerator and denominator by the same number, it is not in the simplest form. Say listen, 4 by 6 we can divide it by 2 by 2. So if you are dividing by 2, you will get 2 by 3. So this is not in the simplest form because we can divide this number fraction, okay. So this is not in the simplest form. So put a cross. And then 5 by 7. Shall we divide 5 by 7 numerator, that is 5 by 7 numerator and denominator by the same number? Shall we divide this? No, we can't divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So this is in the simplest form. So put a tick mark for this. And then 8 by 9. Shall we divide 8 by 9 with the same numerator and denominator? No. This one will divide by 2 table or 4 table, this one by 3 table. So we can't divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So this is in the simplest form. So put a tick mark. Then 16 by 20. Shall we divide 16 by 20 in the simplest form? Yes. So we can divide by this 4, okay, numerator and denominator we can divide, but 8 by 9 we can't divide. So if you are dividing, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So we can divide this. So this is not in the simplest form. So put a cross for this. And then 7 by 15. Shall we divide 7 by 15 in the same number, that is numerator and denominator? No, we can't divide. 7 will divide only by 7, 15 will divide by 3, 5 and then 15 table. So this is in the simplest form. And then 11 by 19. 11 by 19, shall we divide 11 and 19 with the same numerator and denominator? No, same fraction. No, we can't divide this. So this is in the simplest form. Next one, reduce the following fractions to their lowest terms. So we are going to reduce these fractions to their lowest terms. Reducing means we are dividing. We are going to divide this. So 5 by 15 they have given. Shall we divide 5 by 15 by the same numerator and denominator, but we should divide same numerator and denominator. 5 by 5 table and 15 by 3 table, we should not divide like that. So if you want to divide, if you want to reduce the fraction, you should divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So shall we divide by 5 by 5? Because both 5 and 15 will be divisible by 5. So if you are dividing by 5, 5 ones are 5, then 5 threes are 15. Again shall we divide 1 by 3 by the same number? No, we can't divide. One table only will divide. So what is the answer? Answer is 1 by 3. Next one, 9 by 18. Shall we divide this 9 by 18 in same numerator? See listen children, here 9 by 18 will divide by 3 table and 9 table also will divide. But if you are dividing by the greatest number, you will get the answer in the one step. So if you are dividing by 9, so 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, that's all. 1 by 2 we can't divide it by the same numerator and denominator. So answer is 1 by 2. So listen children, 9 by 18 will divide it by 3 also. If you are dividing by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. So 3 by 6 again will divide it by 3 table. So if you are dividing by 3 table, you will get 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Again you will get the same answer, but in the 2 steps will get. But here if you are taking biggest number, you will get the answer in the one step. Next 18 by 27. So 18 by 27, shall we take 9 table children? Otherwise 3 table also we can take. Suppose if you are dividing by 3 table, so 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27. See, listen children, 6 by 9 again will reduce this. That is, again will divide by 3 table. Yes, 6 and 9 will be divisible by 3 table. So we can divide by 3 table. So if you are dividing by 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So what is the answer children? So answer is 2 by 3. Next one, 14 by 35. So in which table will divide 14 by 35? Shall we take 7 table children? Yes, we'll divide it by 7 table. So if you are dividing by 7 table, 7 2s are 14, then 7 5s are 35. Again shall we divide this 2 by 5 with the same numerator and denominator? No, we can't divide this. So we'll write 2 by 5 is the simplest form. Next 22 by 44. So 22 by 44, shall we divide it by 11 table? So if you are dividing by 11 table, 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 44. Again shall we divide this 2 by 4? Yes, in 2 table we'll divide this. So you divide by 2 by 2. So if you are dividing by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is the answer? 1 by 2. So what is the simplest form of 22 by 44? 1 by 2. Next 24 by 30. So in which table will divide children? 24 by 30. Shall we take 6 table? Yes, if you are dividing by 6 table, so 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Shall we reduce this again? Shall we divide this again? No, 4 by 5 we can't divide by the same numerator and denominator. So what is the answer? What is the simplest form of 24 by 30 is 4 by 5. Next one, exercise 3.4. Circle the smallest fraction in each group. See, listen children, if the denominators are same, then it is called like fraction. See, look at the denominators here, 7, 7, 7. So those fractions are called like fractions. Those fractions are called like fraction. So we can compare it easily. So if it is like fraction, we can compare the numerator. So here 2, 4, 1. Circle the smallest fraction. So which is the smallest number here? You compare 2, 4 and then 1. Which is the smallest number here? 1. So 1 by 7 is the smallest fraction. Next one, 6 by 12, 9 by 12, 11 by 12. Look at the denominators, 12, 12, 12. So this is called like fractions. So we can compare when we want to compare the like fraction, look at the numerator, 6, 9 and then 11. Which is the smallest number here? 6 is the smallest number. So you circle the smallest fraction. Next one, 4 by 5, 3 by 5 and then 2 by 5. Look at the denominators. See, all the denominators are same. So this is like fractions. So you compare the numerator 4, 3 and then 2. Which is the smallest number? 2. So 2 by 5 is the smallest fraction. Next one, mark the following fractions on the number line. We are going to mark the fractions on the number line. See, listen children, 0 by 6 is equal to 0. Next 6 by 6 equal to 1. Next we are going to arrange it in the number line. So they have given 3 by 6, 2 by 6, then 5 by 6, then 1 by 6. So after 0 it is 1 by 6. Next they have given 2 by 6. So here 2 by 6. Next 3 by 6. Next they didn't give 4 by 6. So next one is 5 by 6. So here you should write 5 by 6. Next one, 7 by 8 and then 2 by 8, then 4 by 8. So we are going to arrange it in the number line. See, listen children, after 0, 1, but they didn't give 1 here, 1 by 8. Next they have given 2 by 8. So this is 1, this is 2. So near this you write 2 by 8. Next 3 they didn't give. Next 4 by 8. So here you write 4 by 8. Next they have given 7 by 8. So 5, 6, 7 by 8. Next one 5 by 10, 3 by 10 and then 9 by 10. So 0 after here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they have given 3 by 10. So here you write 3 by 10. Next one 5 by 10. So you write 5 by 10 here. Next 9 by 10. Next one, compare the fractions and put greater or lesser. See, listen children, we are going to compare the fraction. So we can compare the like fractions easily by comparing the numerator. See, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So both are like fractions because the denominators are same. So it is like fractions. 1 by 2 and then 3 by 2. So you look at the numerator 1 and then 3. So which is greater number here? 3 is greater. So 3 by 2 is the greatest fraction. Next one 3 by 4, 2 by 4. So look at the denominator 4 and then 4. So this is like fraction. So you compare the numerator 3 and then 2. So which is the greater number here? 3. So 3 by 4 is the greater fraction. Next one 7 by 8 and then 3 by 8. Look at the denominator. So this is like fraction. So you compare the numerator 7 and then 3. Which is the greater number here? 7. So 7 by 8 is the greater fraction. Next one 1 by 9 and then 3 by 9. So this is like fraction. So you compare the numerator 1 and then 3. Which is the greater number children? 3 is the greater. Next one, write in ascending order. So how will you write ascending order children? Smaller number to greater number we are going to write. See here we are going to write the fraction, smaller fraction to greatest fraction. So listen children, here look at the denominators. So all the denominators are 5. So this is like fraction. So how will you compare the like fraction? We have to compare the numerator. So they have given 1, 4, 3, 2. So which is the smallest number here? 1. So you write 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Next one, which is the smallest number? 4, 3, 2. 2 is the next smallest fraction. Next one, you compare 4 and then 3. Which is the smallest fraction? 3 by 5. Next one is 4 by 5. So you write 1 by 5. So write less than symbol for ascending order. Then 2 by 5. Next 3 by 5. Next 4 by 5. Next one 9 by 10, 3 by 10, 7 by 10 and then 2 by 10. So all are like fractions because the denominators are same. So you compare the numerator children 9, 3, 7, 2. So which is the smallest number here? 2. Next smallest number is 3. Next one 7. Next one is 9. So we can write 2 by 10. Next one is 3 by 10. Next one is 7 by 10. Next one is 9 by 10. Next 9 by 13, 6 by 13, 4 by 13, 3 by 13. See, listen children, look at the denominators. So the denominators are same. So this is like fraction. So we'll compare the numerator 9, 6, 4 and then 3. So which is the smallest number here? 3. Next one is 4. Next one 6 and then 9. So we'll write 3 by 13. Next 4 by 13. Next 6 by 13. Next 9 by 13. Next one 7 by 8, 3 by 8, 8 by 8, 1 by 8. See, listen children, here also the denominators are same. So this is like fraction. So we'll compare the numerator 7, 3, 8 and then 1. So which is the smallest number here? 1. And then next one is 3. Next one is 7. Next one is 8. Okay. So we'll write 1 by 8. Next 3 by 8. Next one is 7 by 8. Then 8 by 8. Next one we are going to write in descending order. How will you write in descending order, children? From the greatest fraction to greatest number to smallest number. So listen children, here also it is also like fractions. So you compare the numerator 5, 6, 3, 4. Which is the greatest number here? 6. Next greatest number is 5. Next one is 4. Next one is 3. So we'll write, this is the greatest fraction. So you write greater symbol, 6 by 8. Then 5 by 8, then 3 by 8, 4 by 8, next 3 by 8. Next one, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, then 4 by 7, 5 by 7. See, listen children, denominators are same. Okay, so this is like fraction. So you compare the numerator 3, 2, 4, 5. Which is the greater number here? 5. Next one is 4, next one is 3, next one is 2. So we'll write 5 by 7, next one is 4 by 7, next 3 by 7, next one is 2 by 7. Okay children, next 5 by 10, 8 by 10, 6 by 10, 4 by 10. So listen children, this is also like fraction. So you compare the numerator. Which is the greatest number here? 8, then 6, then 5, then 4. So you write 8 by 10. Next one is 6 by 10. Next one is 5 by 10. Next one is 4 by 10. Next one 3 by 9, 7 by 9, 5 by 9, 8 by 9. So like fraction, compare the numerator. So which is the greater number here? 8, then 7, then 5, then 3. So you write 8 by 9, 7 by 9, next one 5 by 9, next 3 by 9. Thank you children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates.